Why track your heart rate during exercise?
Heart rate monitors are designed to show how hard your heart is working while you exercise. Knowing your heart rate can help you target specific training zones, like burning fat or building endurance. This feedback lets you adjust your intensity for a safer, more effective workout. But is this always essential for everyday fitness?
The science behind heart rate zones.
Exercise scientists define heart rate zones based on percentages of your maximum heart rate. For example, moderate intensity is about 50 to 70%, and vigorous intensity is 70 to 85%. Heart rate monitors make it easy to stay in your desired zone, which can help optimize results for both cardio and weight loss, especially for people training for specific goals.
Who truly benefits from heart rate monitors?
Heart rate monitors can be particularly useful for athletes, people training for events, or those with medical needs requiring controlled exertion. For the average person aiming to stay active, the added benefit may be smaller. Many find they can judge intensity by how they feel, using methods like the talk test without relying on a device.
Limitations and common pitfalls.
Heart rate monitors aren't perfect. Factors like dehydration, stress, and poor fit can affect accuracy. Relying too much on the numbers may distract from enjoying exercise. Some inexpensive models or wrist-based monitors might be less accurate than chest straps. It's important to use these tools as a guide, not the only measure of progress.
Are heart rate monitors a must-have or just hype?
Heart rate monitors offer value for focused training, but they're not essential for most casual exercisers. Pay attention to your body signals and use a monitor if it motivates or informs you. Choose based on your fitness goals, not just marketing claims. For many, a monitor is a helpful tool, not a necessity.